The application field and working principle of dolomite roller washing machine. Dolomite roller stone washing machine is widely used to remove mud in coarse grains and concentrates, especially the materials buried in granular or mud. It is the ideal equipment for large capacity, high demand ore and stone washing industry. Working principle of dolomite drum washing machine. 1. Raw material storage. Raw materials are usually stored in the hopper. 2. Transportation of raw materials. Raw materials are usually transported by belt. The throttling device is set at the mouth of the bucket, according to the content of raw sludge, to control the cleaning amount. 3. Raw material cleaning. The raw material cleaning process, provided by the quarry, does not take too long. The key is to clean and discharge the stone. The dirty water in the tank should not be attached to the stone. The formation of secondary pollution of the stone. 4. Finished product transportation. Finished stone is generally transported to finished product storage area or hopper by belt machine. 5. Sewage precipitation and reuse. No matter what kind of stone washing machine, it will produce a large amount of sewage, and the water consumption is the same, according to the requirements of environmental protection. Sewage sedimentation tank should be set up.